Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be looking at organic chemistry part 2. So first we'll be looking at alkenes. The alkenes form a homologous series. Like all homologous series, the alkenes have the same general formula. They differ by CH2 and molecular formula from neighboring compounds. They show a gradual variation in physical properties such as their boiling points. They have similar chemical properties. So the general formula for the alkenes is CnH2n, where n is the number of carbon atoms in the molecule. This differs from alkanes, as the general formula for alkanes is CnHn2n plus 2. So that's the difference. So now we'll be looking at more about alkenes. So the alkenes are unsaturated hydrocarbons. Because they are compounds containing hydrogen and carbon only. Unsaturated because they contain a carbon-carbon double bond, which means that they have two fewer hydrogen atoms than the corresponding alkane. The carbon-carbon bond is the functional group in the alkenes. It is responsible for the typical reactions of alkenes. Like the alkenes undergo combustion. However, alkenes are less likely to combust completely, so they tend to burn in air with a smoky flame due to incomplete combustion. So the last bullet point is also reason why we do not usually burn alkenes. So now we'll be looking at alkenes' additional reactions. Alkenes can undergo something called additional reactions because of the carbon-carbon double bond. This reaction is an addition reaction because one of the molecule combines with another molecule, forming one large molecule and no other products. Alkenes cannot take part in this addition reaction as they don't have a carbon-carbon double bond and only have a carbon-carbon single bond. So an example of this is propene, which is CH3CH double bonded with CH2 plus bromine Br2 goes to dibromethane. So CH3CH double bonded to CH2 plus Br2 goes to CH3CHBr CH2Br. Testing for alkanes and alkenes. An orange-brown solution of bromine dissolved in water called bromine water is used to distinguish between alkanes and alkenes. There is no change when bromine water is mixed with an alkane. The bromine water becomes colorless when it's mixed with an alkene. So that's the easiest way to find out whether it's an alkane or an alkene. Alkene reacted with water and hydrogen. Alkene plus hydrogen goes to alkane. This is called hydrogenation and it needs a catalyst. For example, propene plus hydrogen goes to propane. So next, alkene plus water goes to alcohol. This is called hydration and needs a temperature of approximately 300 degrees centigrade and a catalyst. For example, butene plus water goes to butanol. Alkene reacted with halogen and oxygen. Alkene plus halogen goes to halogenoalkane. Chlorine, bromine, or iodine can be added to an alkene. These reactions are usually spontaneous. Here are some examples. Ethene plus chloride goes to dichloroethane. Alkene plus oxygen goes to carbon dioxide plus water. And the chemical formula for this is 2C3H6 plus 9O2 goes to 6CO2 plus 6H2O. And this was for propene plus oxygen goes to carbon dioxide plus water. Also, alkene plus usually alkene and oxygen. Alkene is not reacted with oxygen because they're very valuable as they can be used to make polymers or as a starting material for many other chemicals. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel, and look out for Organic Chemistry Part 3.